how to fix JBL Bluetooth speaker not connecting or pairing problem. First of all, what you have to do is simply check if your speaker is in pairing mode or not. If it is not in pairing mode, then what you have to simply do is press this Bluetooth button. Okay. As soon as you press this, it will make this kind of sound, as well as the light will blink here. Now take your phone, okay, scroll down, tap on Bluetooth, go to Bluetooth setting. Now try to connect it. It will be connected. Okay. But if still your problem is not solved like this, then what you have to do is simply click on this I button and forget this device. Okay. Forget this device and now check in other devices. It will show its name here. If it does not show, then press this Bluetooth button again or turn off the Bluetooth and turn it on again, and it will show the name like this. Click on that and your speaker will be connected to your phone like this. Okay. But if it still does not solve your problem, then what you have to do is simply first and foremost take your speaker and reset it. How to reset it? Press play and pause and volume up button together. Okay, let me show you. Press it and it will turn off like this. Leave the buttons and now turn your speaker again. Okay, turn your speaker and then try to connect. Your speaker will connect to your phone easily. Okay. But if it still does not connect, then what you have to do is you simply restart your phone, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone. Restart your phone and then try to connect. It will easily connect to your phone. Okay. Do remember, if it is not in pairing mode, do press this button to bring it into the pairing mode, so that its name is visible here, and as soon as you click on this, it will be paired to your phone. Okay.